Guess what I got asked today? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Rake over the coals. Let's clear up any misunderstandings about its literal meaning with an example. Imagine someone raking over coals. Sounds painful, right? That's why it's essential to understand idioms. Rake over the coals means to criticize or reprimand someone severely. To remember the meaning, think of a person being scolded so severely they feel like they're being dragged over hot coals. Now let's see it in action. Once upon a time, a man got caught cheating on his wife. She raked him over the coals and threw him out of the house. He realized his mistake and begged for forgiveness. She forgave him, and they lived happily ever after. Rake over the coals means to criticize or reprimand someone severely. Fun fact number 1. The idiom originated in the 16th century when people used to rake coals to keep the fire burning. Fun fact number 2. It's also known as rake over the ashes. Fun fact number 3. It's often used in legal or political contexts. Example sentence 1. The boss raked me over the coals for being late. Explanation. The boss criticized the employee severely. Example sentence 2. The politician was raked over the coals for his controversial statement. Explanation. The politician faced severe criticism for his statement. Sentence using rake over the coals. After making a mistake, I was raked over the coals by my boss. Rephrased sentence 1. After making a mistake, my boss criticized me severely. Rephrased sentence 2. My boss gave me a severe reprimand after I made a mistake. A friend of mine was raked over the coals by his parents for getting bad grades. He realized his mistake and worked hard to improve his grades. Now, he's a successful businessman thanks to his parents' tough love. Rake over the coals can be effective in motivating a person to improve. Similar expressions: dressing down, chewing out, tongue lashing. Opposite expressions: praise, commendation, accolade. Quiz 1. What does rake over the coals mean? Option 1. To cook over coals. Option 2. To criticize or reprimand someone severely. Option 3. To clean coals. Answer: Option 2. Explanation. Rake over the coals means to criticize or reprimand someone severely. Quiz 2. Which of the following is not a fun fact about rake over the coals? Option 1. It originated in the 16th century. Option 2. It's also known as rake over the ashes. Option 3. It's often used in romantic contexts. Answer: Option 3. Explanation. Rake over the coals is often used in legal or political contexts. Quiz 3. Which of the following is a similar expression to rake over the coals? Option 1. Praise. Option 2. Commendation. Option 3. Dressing down. Answer: Option 3. Explanation. Similar expressions to rake over the coals include dressing down, chewing out, and tongue lashing. So there you have it, the meaning of rake over the coals and how to use it. Don't forget to share your story with the idiom in the comments below. And remember, don't worry about being raked over the coals. It's all part of the learning process.